Hello students, my name is sehdevsharma. I am from Success Mantra Educate, Jalandhar, Punjab, India. Today I am going to discuss about your academic task 1. In this task we will discuss that if you luckily get two different charts in your IELTS exam, how to solve that. So I will be discussing in brief, but one by one all the questions will be addressed. Okay, let us start the video first. Dear students, see, we have been given the two different datas. First data is in the first phase and second data is in the second phase, right? Here it says that export of earnings, and we have been given the bar chart, and one more table chart is already given. So sometimes students get confused that what to do and how to do it. So my dear students, first of all, let me tell you that in your introduction is always written in the present tense. And in this particular case, we have to write the introduction of both the charts. We cannot eliminate any of the chart and we can continue. No, it will never be done. So if you are going to write about the introduction, please write about all the details what generally we write, and mention one more letter. It will say that another table chart is given which shows this. What I mean to say, in your introduction, you should have the details of both the charts, and particularly the type of chart which you are going to mention. In this particular case, I will say that this is the bar chart and another table chart is given, and what the product category or something they have given, that is there. Okay. Now, most important thing to be noted here is that this data is also for 2015 and 16, and this data is also for 2015 and 16. So we can write in the introduction the last line that in both the chart the data is given for the year 2015 and 16. My dear students, there are maximum chances that there is a link between these two, maybe because of products or maybe because of their years, or there can be some connection. But if at all there is no connection at all, then students get confused what to do it, what to not to do. So in that case, we have to follow the different strategy. But in this case, we found that 2015 and 16 is there, and even products are also matching. So we don't have much problem to explain this data. I have seen 2 or 3 tasks in which the data are entirely different. For example, the data is given of agriculture, and here the data is given of some animals, right? Maybe used in the agriculture sector or not. So don't get confused. Okay, this was your introduction, right? Now come to the BP1, body paragraph 1. Do not take any tension. In your body paragraph 1, please explain about this chart only. What we generally explain. Assume yourself that this chart is not there, only one chart is there. Okay, you explain accordingly. But as it is second chart is there, so whatever we want to finish off, we will finish off with VP1 with all the ingredients what are given here without analysis, because BP1 is always purely of data and no trending is to be given. When we come to the BP2, in BP2 we have to explain only about this chart only. There is no need to give some connection to the previous chart. This I am talking about if the two charts are different charts are coming, or maybe the similar charts are given. The strategy is this, and we can easily score. Now comes to the last part, that how to write the summary. Dear students, we all are sufficiently practiced that how to write the summary of the bar chart, and we also know how to write the summary of the table chart. Please do not try to give any connection between these two. There is no need. We can easily score the good marks. Only explain about your summary pertaining to this only, and give one connector in your summary, and you can write the summary of this. As this data is very small, so we can say that here it is 8.5. We can say the maximum is this, and there is 0.81, and we can say the minimum is this, and the topmost is your textiles. So topmost we will pick up and the least we will pick up. This will become summary of the second chart. But very important thing to remember is this, that while writing the summary, it should not happen that you write the summary of chart 2 in the first position. No, we have to write as per the chart we have got it. I think the idea is very clear to you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, because I try to give you the best videos so that you get the good marks in your IELTS exam. So I was discussing about the summary part. So first summary should come for this, and next the summary must come for this. As this chart is just for around one year, 2015 and 16, and we can write about the maximum minimum, the things are quite clear as far as summary is concerned. So to summarize, and please use the word only summarize. Some people say to sum up, some say in the nutshell. I have gone through lots of samples which are available on the internet. Even the good scores, they use only the one word, that is to summarize. Because I personally believe that to summarize is the best word which can explain your task 1 sufficiently, crisply, and definitely it is going to give you the more marks, because the more flashy words you are using here, the more difficult you will face. And before I end this video, I just want to mention one more thing, that as in case of, especially please remember, in case of bar chart and in case of line chart, bar chart as well as in case of line chart, please use the words approximately, nearly, close to, about to, little above, little below. These specific adjectives to be used, but only in case of table chart and line chart. It will definitely give you more edge. But in case of the table chart, we have to give the specified information. For example, in case of petroleum products, it is at 3%, and we cannot say that it is approximately 3%. No, it is already 3%, it is fixed. But in case of line chart or bar chart, we can have the option to use any of the specific adjectives. If you are using those adjectives, definitely you are going to get the good marks. Before I end this video, I just summarize. In your summary, in your introduction, please write the introduction of the both. In your BP1, pick up BP1 and go for explanation of data. For your BP2, pick up another chart, discuss about it, but no summarization. And once you are coming to the summary, please write the summary of the first and summary of the 2, and see if there is specific connection is there, then explain that, otherwise no need for that. This was the video for the day, and if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and give me your compliments and even comments, and what more videos you would like to watch from my side, kindly let me know. Take care of you. Bye bye.